Hello friends and welcome to English Tech. Friends, in this video, I will be talking about the Loyal Wingman drone. In a previous video, I gave a detailed explanation of it. For those who don't know, let me tell you that the Loyal Wingman drone is a new and important addition to modern military technology designed to work alongside advanced fighter jets. Its purpose is to assist fighter jets, advance into dangerous missions, and destroy enemy systems and air forces. The tasks of the Loyal Wingman include confusing enemy radars and defense systems, intercepting enemy missiles or range, conducting ground or aerial attacks, performing reconnaissance and surveillance, and protecting fighter jets. Loyal Wingman drones are considered essential for future aerial warfare, and major military powers are working on them to integrate them as companions for their advanced fighter jets, such as the 5th and 6th generation fighter jets. For example, Australia has developed the MQ-28, which will work alongside the F-35 and other aircraft. The US has developed the X-58A, which will not only be a companion to the F-35, but also to the F-22 Raptor. Similarly, Russia's 5th generation fighter jet Su-57 has the Loyal Wingman S-70 drone, which can operate independently as well. Russia has also developed the G-Ram, which will be a loyal companion to Russia's Su-35 and Su-57. Likewise, China has the J-111, which will be a companion to China's 5th generation fighter jet, the J-20. But today's video focuses on the J-35, which is China's 2nd 5th generation fighter jet and will also be included in Pakistan's Air Force. What will be the Loyal Wingman or companion drone for this fighter jet? Recently, China introduced a drone called the F-97A. This drone is a new version of the previously existing F-970. This cutting-edge drone will serve as the Loyal Wingman for the J-35. The unique aspect of this drone is that it will not only function as a loyal wingman, but will also be able to control smaller autonomous drones. This drone is designed for stealth operations. Its pointed nose and sleek body are not just for aesthetics, but help reduce radar signatures, ensuring minimal detection. Its stealth design contributes to its stability and performance at high speeds, making it ideal for high-altitude reconnaissance and strategic strike missions. This drone avoids radar detection and ensures minimal drag. Even in complex maneuvers and fast operations, its unique feature is its ability to launch rapidly. This drone is launched via a catapult system, meaning it requires a catapult launch system. This launch system is designed for rapid deployment from aircraft carriers. It ensures that the drone can take off from stationary positions and engage in operations in seconds. Additionally, it can also be launched via a rocket booster from any location. It has retractable landing gears, a smart design element that further reduces drag, increasing performance and fuel efficiency. The drone's wings are positioned towards the rear, optimizing its performance at higher speeds, enhancing maneuverability, and offering better control in combat situations. The tail features a dual V-shaped configuration, reducing air resistance and improving its agility, especially in high-speed operations. This feature is crucial for air combat, where precise control and reaction times are essential. If we talk about the drone's armament, the A-97A can carry multiple air-to-air missiles. Some reports suggest that it can carry up to 8 air-to-air missiles or lighter munitions. It can also carry its own smaller drones. Its missiles include the PL-15, a missile from China that competes with the American AIM-120 missile and is even considered superior. Its range is between 200 to 300 kilometers, designed for beyond visual range targets, and it can reach speeds up to Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound. This drone can also carry short-range missiles for close combat, such as China's PL-10 missile, which has a range of 20 kilometers, allowing it to engage in dogfights. Chinese sources claim that this drone has microchip sensors for surveillance. enabling it to detect ground and aerial targets from a long distance. These sensors play a vital role in intelligence gathering and transmitting data to its commander, making this drone a crucial asset in modern warfare. Another notable feature is its dual-engine setup, which ensures both power and safety. If one engine fails during a mission, the other engine takes over, ensuring that the drone can complete its mission. This makes the drone reliable for long-range operation. The collaboration between the J-35 and A-97A drones signals a significant advancement in aerial warfare strategies. Although these aircraft have not yet been used together in real combat, their potential cooperation will lead to new and powerful tactics. Together, they can conduct surveillance, gather intelligence, and perform critical tasks while reducing operational pressure on the pilot. The A-97A will play a crucial role as a protector and as the eyes and ears of the mission, monitoring the ground situation and providing real-time information without putting any human pilot in danger. The duo can also target enemy weapons, with missiles like the PL-15 and PL-10, eliminating the threat even before the J-35 gets close to the target. The ability to perform dogfight attacks and electronic warfare operations gives the Chinese military a notable advantage in future air combat. Looking at these military developments, it's evident that drones are playing an increasingly important role in modern warfare. The A-97A and the U.S. Air Force's LACRI program both reflect the growing presence of drones in combat. While the A-97A is designed for high-speed, low-visibility missions, LACRI focuses on cost-effective, expendable drones that complement piloted aircraft by improving their performance and extending their capabilities. In conclusion, as this technology advances, these UAVs will become the next generation of air forces. If we consider Pakistan's involvement, there is a possibility that Pakistan may acquire China's Loyal Wingman drone in the future. But it is also working on its own Loyal Wingman drones, such as the Fiduciary 1 and Fiduciary 2. Fiduciary 1 is a small, low-cost combat drone, while Fiduciary 2 will be a larger, more capable, and expensive drone. What are your thoughts on this? Please share your comments in the section below. That's all for now. I'll see you in a new video. Goodbye.